Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Before we start, please like and subscribe, and at the end of the video tutorial, please leave a comment to let me know what you think of my videos or request a tutorial you would like to see. The more interaction we have, the better content I can create for you. Thank you. If you wish to follow along, I have a link to the Excel file I am using in this tutorial in the description below. Today I'm going to cover the Excel CountA function. The CountA function counts the number of cells that are not empty in an Excel range. The CountA function will count any type of non-empty cell information, including error values and empty values returned from a formula which may return an empty string. The required arguments for CountA are value 1. This could be a single cell or a range of cells. You could also have up to 254 optional values if you need multiple ranges to count. If you do not need to count logical values, text, or error values, but only want to count cells containing numbers, you should use the count function. I have a link in the description below to the count tutorial video. In the first example, I will show the basics of the CountA function. The Excel worksheet has items 1 through 5. To count each value, I will create the formula in cell F2 equals count A, open parentheses, A2 colon E2, close parentheses. The counts are now displayed. Let's review row 2. In column A, the value is a string. Column B is a numeric value. Column C is a date. Column D is a formula, count open parentheses, A1 close parentheses, which returns a 0 because the value in A1 is not numeric. And column E, the formula equals day, open parentheses, C2, close parentheses, returns the numeric day from the date in column C. You can find a link to my day function video in the description below. So every cell has a value, so our result is 5 as expected. Now let's review row 3. Our result is 4. As we look at the cells, we see 3 cells with values, C3, D3, and E3. But cells A3 and B3 are blank. So why do we have 4 cells counted instead of 3? Let's look at cell A3. Clicking on the cell, we do not see any values, so it is empty, which is correct, so it should not be counted. Now clicking on cell B3, there is a simple formula, equals double quote, which is returning an empty string. Since the formula is returning an empty string, it is considered a value and will be counted in the CountA function. So 4 is the desired result for row 3. In our practical example, we are going to create a formula to count what chores I have completed during a given day. I have set up the basic structure of my chores worksheet. In row 6, I have my title, completed, total. So in row 7, I want to add a formula that will display the number of chores I have completed out of the total number of chores I need to do. Range B8 through G15 is an Excel table I've named Chores. I will be using the concat function in this formula. You can find a link in the video tutorial in the description below. In cell C7, the formula will be equals concat, open parentheses, count A, open parentheses, C9, colon, C15, close parentheses, comma, double quote, space, forward slash, space, double quote, comma, rows, open parentheses, chores, open bracket, MON, close bracket, close parentheses, close parentheses. Now the formula is in place. I could copy it to columns D through G. As I complete my chores, I can put an X or any value in the corresponding cells. And as I do, the completed versus total values are updated. If I need to add a chore, say make dinner, I can simply add a new row to my chores table and it will update the total and it will set up my table for the new chore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day and I will see you next time.